don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. I'm joined by Baba Bashimane, Limfana Mdebele.
Estibo, today I'm very disappointed, because you know why. Being expected Sundowns very like him say we need.
Yeah.
And then two, being disappointed.
Yeah.
Being fees I got bomkai now banging top 8. Say I'm disappointed today. Langa lama likom nandi. So bona Estibo, I'm very disappointed. Angazi uthi ngizothini bona. Uyabona uLondon ukhulume everything lebengifuna kuyisho. Angisana magaba. Second, ngikhuluma iSwati namuhla ngoba bakhalile na sport bathi ngikhuluma iSwati ngakhuluma English neZulu. Bona Sithibona coach Sundowns uyiphile iPyramid game namhlanje.
Bakayili.
Bona Sithibo, simple thing, iSundowns iya lead 1-0.
Ndoda.
Bona umisaphi noma yena. Faka Thembazwane. Thembazwane khona kuseva ibhola igame iphele. Bona imali empetho ihambile. Angisathi nothi ngobantu abangobethengela ngani bezobethengela timpahla te winter manje abashimane bami vele bodlani nyana angisana mali phela manje nyana umphathi ongishaya endlini because of what? Because of Kadoso. Faka Thembazwane. A simple thing. Sundowns yawin. Uma win Sundowns, win South Africa sijabulile simabhakaniya nathi.
Umfazi wakho yakushaya.
Uyongishaya mina umfazi namuhla. Manje bona Sithibo ngothi lonti. Uyothi kuyimali. Ngothi imali ku. Ngothi imali ku manje. Ngothi hambela bona. Kadoso bring Thembazwane. Beka noma emabaleni. The match is finished. Simple thing.
It's that.
It's star. Sundowns. It's Sundowns. If my winner is star, I win the Sundowns.
Yeah.
But the people must understand football. Now I'm going straight to football.
Yeah.
If it's Sundowns winner is star, you win the for South Africa.
Yes.
And then number 1 team in Africa is Al Ahly.
Yeah.
Because of what? A star. This thing of saying Guti, Ipala 1937, it chips and in Sundowns Samaj must stop it. And this thing of Sundowns now 57 fans must stop it. It's nonsense, that thing.
Yeah.
The team is recognizing a star. If the team doesn't have the star, it's a small team.
Yeah.
The team they start if Sundowns they can win Egypt. It became the best team in South Africa because Bavana Tuma Star couldn't be the Pirates. We can't Kaizer Chiefs nabo bomakezi team yakandla Mangwane bokoleros the same group WhatsApp team Galaxy. We can't talk about Kaizer Chiefs here. Kaizer Chiefs is a small team. It's a team in 2000 namhlanje I win next. Today we're talking about Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. My friend. Let me tell you something. I really love football. That is why Estibo, listen to me, Estibo. Estibo, I'm a football lover. If any Paris, because I choose this team because in a star. You choose the team in a star. But no man 95 ball. Okay, wait, Estibo. Apartheid 95. Counter Estibo. Estibo. Umshana wami lo ngisithembiso maminza ne. Is a Sundowns fan. In a star is Sundowns. Now it's a star.
Siyasibona.
Nice.
Siyasibona
Umshana wami. Yes. Back door. You know what I want today? I wish Sundowns can put the second star. That is my wish in my life. If Sundowns can put the second star, I will. Ngithola umfazi mina ukuthi ngicela ube pregnant namhlanje. Because Sundowns sine star says 2. South Africa ball phakamile. Ngicela ungenzele umntwana we7. Because ngimpapa abashimani. asikudala lokhu
No,
we-6 nga-6 ngifuna we-7 bafana kuphela phela ngiyindoda if iSundowns win a star I going to make 7 children boys
If I win,
yeah if you win Sundowns ngitshela umpata prevent nothing more
Phume lapha.
aphume ebantwaneni but Masantawana you're doing the best to me empilweni yami mina ibhola ngiyalithanda iSundowns idlala ibhola lemnandi but today doesn't play the good football
awubona umndebele mfati njani
man, ivali.
ya namhlanje ngikhuluma isindebele esitsengileko ngikhuluma isindebele ndrebele ngeke ungizwe ya bathi urarekile umraro Steve ngibakubuza into eyi-1 ngiyakubuza ngiphendula i-team ekulu siyibona ngani i-team ekulu siyibona ngani
Ama-supporters.
ngama-supporters ama-supporters adlala ibhola
Support football.
asapoti football noma ingawini next i-team engadominate i-Africa i-team ekulu
Our Chiefs is big, man. We can't argue that.
mafo zazi mina kwenzakalani mina ngi-2000 lalela Stivo mina ngi-2000 listen Stivo angisho kanjalo lalela Stivo mina ngi-2000 ne noma ngibuza ukuthi i-team ebest la South Africa yini ngizothi i-Sundowns ukulandela ulandela i-SuperSport ulandela i-Orlando Pirates yazi why mina ngi-2000 ama-trophy Kaizer Chiefs angizange khe ngiwabona since I was born ngabona ya 2015 kuphela ngabona nale ngibone 2 ama-trophy Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ngithi i-team ekulu mina ngi-2000 ungangitshela nge-history mina angazange ngiyibone i-Pirates thathe league but i-Chiefs ngeke ngithi i-team ekulu because zange ngiwabone history wangitshela into ya-19 ngi-2000 mina baba ngi-2000 okay asiphumeni lapha iVI nisijayiva nabantu iVI ivurvayi antikhuliso sela mundawo yingwenya tayiteng yazi bathini yazi Sundowns yini Steve yazi ipokoma yini isindebele yasazi yazi ngifuna lapho kubhaleni I'm teaching you isindebele lapho ku-caption
Teach me, brother.
kunetayitenge bayibiza ukuthi ipokoma iSundowns ipokoma #ayivinjwa #siyaziyela Club World Cup iSundowns ngeke iphume kuma-group stage ngeke iSundowns yokuthatha 3 points from i-Dortmund ithathe yazi ubona how many point 9 point angazi amanye wathatha but 9 point yokubona number 2 kuma-group stage ikhambi yoku-quarter final yodliwa ku-semi-final angazi yodliwa ngiyi but ku-semi-final Sundowns mina ngiyayithemba ngiyayithemba iSundowns uyabona noRibeiro this season i-play of the season play of the season now next season play of the season next season play of the season the following season play of the season until iSundowns azostart i-league my brother ngifuna ukutshela amanga mina thank you bafuza
Congratulations. Thank you, members.